Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Mirza Furqan Beg, academic in charge of Al Usman Institute, Dubai. Today's date is 6 December 2024 and the Islamic date is 5th Jamadi Thaani 1446 and the upcoming month is Rajab. Let us begin with today's Tarbiyyah assembly. Dear children, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, خالق الناس بخلق حسن. This hadith teaches us the importance of showing kindness, respect and good behavior towards everyone, whether it's family, friends or strangers. Treating others with good manners brings love and harmony to our lives and earns us Allah's blessings. Students, now I'll tell you a short story related to this hadith. Amina was a kind and polite girl. One day she saw a new student in her class who looked nervous and shy. Some students teased the new girl, but Amina went to her and said, "Don't worry, I'll help you feel at home here." Amina showed her around the school, introduced her to other students, and even shared her lunch. The new girl felt happy and comfortable because of Amina's good manners. Later, Amina's teacher praised her and said, "The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, treat people with good manners. By being kind and respectful, you made someone feel welcome and earned Allah's reward." Lessons from today's assembly. Good manners are a sign of strong faith and good character. Treating others with kindness and respect brings love and peace. Always strive to follow the example of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in your behavior. That's all for today. Inshallah, we will meet tomorrow with another inspiring topic. Let us pray to Allah to help us always show good manners to everyone around us. Wassalam, Tarbiyyah Department, Al Usman Institute, Dubai.